Affiliate marketing, tips to take full advantage of the power of the internet. In the world of affiliate marketing, it is important to market using your affiliates so that you can further promote your business. That is where smart affiliate marketing comes in handy. This can help visitors find and remember you, which can result in more traffic and more profits. Follow these tips to become more successful with affiliate marketing. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure that you present your information cleanly. You want to focus on the content and the advertising, not distracting your readers with other items to focus on. Ask yourself if you need each component and get rid of the ones that do not make you money. If you are an online marketplace, you should have a forum or public discussion capacity, where your customers can discuss your product or service. Without the ability to actually try your product or service or see a live person, the feedback from those who have, will be highly critical in the decision-making process of potential customers. See if you can get exclusive bonus offers from the vendor to be able to offer to your customers. People love when they feel like they are getting something over what they are paying for. You will see more sales if you are offering just a little something more. Ask your vendor if they can provide a bonus for your customers and then promote it. You should have some type of form in place that users fill out when leaving the site. You can ask for feedback from those that have chosen not to purchase anything from your website. You can take the reasons they give you for not buying anything and use the criticism to improve on things. A great affiliate marketing tip is to include a featured post or video on your website. Having a page that stands out can be a great way to generate interest from your customers. By changing it frequently, you will keep customers coming back to see what you've put up next. Try hover ads instead of pop-ups. Hover ads are less intrusive than pop-ups, taking up less screen space and allowing the reader to view the ad when they are ready. The ads are written in DHTML, a combo of Java and HTML. Hover ads often outperform standard pop-up ads and work great for promoting new products or services, testimonials, or an opt-in subscription. As you can see from the previous list of tips, affiliate marketing can really make a difference in the popularity of your website. It takes a lot of research, a lot of work, a lot of networking, and tons of patience, but it is all worth it in the end to become successful in affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.